Actually, this was the product that has made me... Oops! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you what is in the Lookfantastic Valentine's Collection Edition box. So this is how the box looks like, and you can open it. It's like a sleeve, and inside it is your box. So if you are interested to hear more and see what is it inside, then just keep on watching. Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer. They do have their monthly beauty subscription that ships worldwide, and the subscription costs starting from £15 per month. They release a couple of limited edition boxes during year, and if you are subscribed to their monthly beauty box, you can get some discount within your email. So this box retails for £55 and you get £10 off if you are subscribed to their monthly beauty box, but you have to be subscribed for at least 3 months, 3, 6 or 12 months to redeem the price. As I'm not living in the UK, I'm also paying shipping for this box because they offer free shipping on all orders above £75, and this box costs £45 for me as a subscriber, so I paid in total £50 with shipping. And also one thing that I appreciate on Lookfantastic, since they are now out of the European Union, they are paying the taxes and duties, so we don't have to deal with that on custom. The shipping was quite fast, considering the fact that now we have to wait for custom procedures for everything coming from the UK, so I really appreciate that. Whilst I'm still waiting for my Beautylish beauty bag to receive, it's still in custom, it hasn't yet arrived. So this is how the box looks open, and those are the products inside. I'm just gonna give you a quick sneak peek, and this is the booklet that it sent together with the box, and you have inside all the prices and the products, so I do appreciate that. The value of the products inside, it is above £200, and there are 2 products that have been calling my name since I've received the email and I've seen what is inside. So this is not a surprise box by any means. You are able to see the products and the retail value of all the products inside. So in no particular order, I'm going to start with the first product that is inside. This is by the brand Illamasqua, and this is the Beyond Liquid Highlighter that retails for... Oh no, we don't have the prices. Why I thought there are prices? No, there are no prices. Okay, I will put the prices on the screen. So this liquid highlighter adds effortless luminosity to your complexion, perfect for accentuating the high points of your face or for all-over glow. Formulated with jojoba oil to glide over your skin seamlessly in a beautiful champagne shade that is great for all skin tone. So this is in the shade OMG actually. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a full-size product, 15 mils. Illamasqua is a cruelty-free and vegan, and is also Leaping Bunny certified brand. So that means that the entire supply chain is cruelty-free. This I learned from Jessica from Everything Proof Beauty. So yeah. The next product, and I think is the most expensive from all the products inside, and this is one of the products that has made the box worth for me, is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Get a suited and hydrated complexion, formulated with rose flower water and 24 carats pure gold to cool irritation, reduce redness, provide environmental protection, and supercharge your skin's luminosity. Also formulated with niacinamide to intensely hydrate and plump up the skin. I love the niacinamide ingredient. This is 20 mils and it retails for £85. I looked up. Okay, it has a slightly scent of rose, but not too much. And it's transparent. Okay, I don't want to spare too much because this is priceless. you have seen that it's infused with 24 karat gold. So yeah, now I'm gonna put gold on my face. Okay, the next product is a mascara by Too Faced, and they're better than SEX. This is a deluxe mini, so this has 3.9 grams. Get fluttery lashes of dreams with this iconic Too Faced mascara, with a lash enhancing formula that lifts and volumizes every lash and gives a curl that will last all day long. I think I have another backup of this. Next we have another full-size product, and I remember I have the baby one that I got in advent calendar, probably also from Lookfantastic this year. So this is by Ren, which is a fantastic brand. This is their Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA tonic and has 250 ml or 8.5 fluid ounces. This radiance reviving toner has a skin resurfacing formula to gently exfoliate and brighten your complexion. A combination of lactic acid and willow bark extract work together to eliminate dirt surface cells and minimize the appearance of pores. Ready, found it. Okay, so this is the one that we got in the advent calendar, also from Lookfantastic, and this is 50 ml. I haven't had a chance to open it because I have another tonic that I'm working through. I have already 2 tonics open, but I think I might try this one as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm really happy that I have this one. Maybe I will give this baby one to my friend or to my mother-in-law to try it, because I have a lot of tonics to begin with. Moving forward, the next product are actually 2 products by Avida, and this is a travel size of their Almond shampoo and conditioner. So you get 50 ml of shampoo and 40 ml of conditioner, and I wanted to try this from a long time. This 98% naturally derived hair care duo will bring some life back into your looks, infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including cherry blossom and sweet almond oil to nourish and soften your hair from root to top. I love that. I'm a big fan of almond oil. I used to do a mask with almond oil and other type of oils on my hair. So this is the conditioner and smells deliciously. So I think I will keep this for travel. Not sure when we will be able to travel, and until the travel might happen, my pile of travel products will become huge. But yeah, those are really handy, and I love the fact that they have been giving us a shampoo and conditioner to try the whole range. Okay, and the last product, and this was the product that has made me wanting getting this box. This is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, and this has 100.5 grams. This luxurious shea butter and sweet almond oil enriched cleansing balm melts away your makeup as you rub into the skin to reveal a clear and radiant complexion free from dirt and impurities. So guys, you cannot imagine since when I want to try this baby up. I know that you guys in US, you are more lucky and you have gotten this in your wonderful subscriptions. Okay, so this is also coming with a cloth. Maybe I can show it to you. This looks like very nice and soft. I think you also should wash it. And you see here there is the Elemis print to it. I'm so glad to have it. Look at this baby. Isn't he cute? Ooh. Smells like roses. Now I know that rose scent, it's not everyone's cup of tea, and they have different type of scents or fragrance, but for this beauty box they put the rose scent. So if by unfortunately you don't like the rose scent, you might not be so happy for this. But let me tell you that the rose scent is really subtle and it is natural, so it's not that artificial type of rosy scent that it makes your headache. I want to see if it's better because so far my favorite cleansing balm is by the brand Balm, so I want to see if this is better than that, because everybody and their neighbors are raving about the Elemis Pro-Collagen cleansing balm, and for sure I'm gonna try it starting from this evening, so I'm really excited about that. This is everything we've got in Lookfantastic Valentine edition beauty box. So we've got the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm and the cloth, a Faced Mascara in a mini. We've got the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in the shade OMG, the 111 Rose Gold Radiance Booster, the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and the Avida Duo. I told you the overall value of the box is over £200 and I paid for it £50 including shipping. If you are not subscriber, you will pay £55 plus shipping depending on the part of the world you are living, because Lookfantastic, they do ship internationally. So yeah, this is all for today. Now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about this box, if it is something that it suits your needs, or you think that this box is not for you. All your thoughts and opinions I will really love to read down below in my comment section. And yeah, other than that, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I hope you all are going to have a great Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye you guys!
Okay.